Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Burst 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to store profiles. In the beginning, let's go to Turtle Beach app. Next, go to Profiles and Manage Profiles. Here, create new profile, go to Settings and select Store. Confirm, and here we've got the list of stored profiles. These are profiles stored on your desktop and are not being used at the moment by the device. You can also switch them here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.